Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have another Chanel bag unboxing for you. This baby is from the current Spring-Summer 2022 collection and it is a color that I've been missing in my collection. I've been telling you guys for such a long time that I really wanted a blue bag and I think I finally found the perfect one. So if you're interested and want to see the new blue color for this season in a classic bag, keep watching, and also don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, which is this one here. You can see how I like to style my new purchases. I also show you my daily outfits on my stories, so come say hello on my Instagram as well. I would love to see you there. Okay, let's get started. Alright, I'm not gonna keep you waiting any longer, so let's just unbox it straight away. And it is an Adidas bag, so you can't tell, but this is the bag. And we have the booklet and the receipt in here. And 1, 2, 3, we have... Ta-da! You know what? I think we were all so obsessed with the hard bags, including me, that we completely missed what other colors Chanel will be launching in the classics. At least I didn't really check because I was all over the hard bags. I was like, I need to get a hard bag from this collection. So I honestly didn't even realize Chanel will be launching such a beautiful, perfect blue shade. And I was lucky because my SA messaged me one day and she was like, "Hey Maria, I remember you mentioned you wanted a baby blue bag. We received one and I just wanted to check with you and see if you would be interested in this color. You know, I've been on the hunt for the perfect baby blue for such a long time. I did miss on a few really great blue colors and I've been kicking myself because Chanel, you guys know, they don't repeat colors. They wouldn't release the same color twice. They would release maybe a similar color. So for example, they also released the caramel. Can you guys see? This is the 21p caramel that was super popular. Chanel released it again with the current collection, but the tone of the caramel was slightly darker. It wasn't exactly the same, although the color card was exactly the same. When you put them next to each other, you can see that the shade of the caramel was slightly different. Yeah, she sent me a picture of this baby and to be honest, it didn't look that great on pictures, but I was like, I'm just gonna go and check it out in person, see if I'll like it. And you might remember I did show you this in a shopping vlog with my mom. I'll make sure I link it above. So I tried it on and me and my mom both fell in love with this little baby. It was such a nice color, very spring color, so I decided to buy it. So before I continue talking about this baby, I wanted to thank today's video sponsor, Samorga. You guys know every time I get myself a new baby, I also get a new Samorga insert. I absolutely love their inserts. They really protect the inside of your bags, and when you're spending so much money on a bag, definitely invest in a good insert. Samorga are the original bag organizer company and they have inserts for every single handbag you can think of because they actually purchase the handbags or the new releases and they make inserts with the exact measurements to fit the bag. These inserts are made of felt. Each insert has a pocket so everything can be really organized. They have a variety of different colors to choose from. And actually I used to get matching organizers at the beginning, but now I started getting a pop of color or something contrasting to the lining. This way I find, especially for larger bags, you can easily find your items inside. Also another thing to note, you can choose between different thicknesses. For the classic flap bags and the minis even, although they're single flaps, I do recommend for Chanel more structured bags a thinner organizer, and for less structured bags like the Chanel 19 for example, which I also own, I would recommend you get a slightly thicker insert. This way it will support the leather, the bag won't flop. And yes, these are also machine washable, so super easy to clean and keep your bags in pristine condition. I like to bring snacks inside my bags, biscuits or chocolate, and I hate finding crumbs on the bottom of my bag, especially if it's a fabric lined bag. Imagine melted chocolate in your bag. Oh! And also guys, they make these amazing accessories for bags, top handles, pearl chains, handle wraps. They have so many bag accessories that I would highly recommend to you to check out as well. I do have a discount as well, so you can save on your orders. I will leave it on the screen and also down below. This will actually look so cute on the new mini rectangle. I will show you how it looks on, and also I will leave links to the new bag wraps. They are so great when you store your bags, so yeah, make sure you check them out. Okay, back to this baby boy. As you can see, it is in the smoothest, buttery soft lambskin leather. This is my 5th mini rectangle, if you don't count the top handle mini rectangles that you can see there. This is my 5th without a top handle. And I do not have such a bright summery color in the minis apart from the gold, but I wear the gold metallic all seasons, all year round. So yeah, this one I love. I will try it on so you can see how it looks on. It will look so great with jeans, denim looks. You guys know how much I love to wear denim. Also with summer dresses, it will be the perfect spring summer bag. Definitely a bag for the warmer weather. I already started using this bag. I know I have to be quite careful because it's very light color, and I have to be careful with color transfer, especially because I plan to wear it with denim. Yeah, so I have to be careful, but I will definitely also wear it as a top handle with the Samorga pearl because I think it will really suit this bag. So I do have the receipt here with me to share the price with you, but it's so nice that Chanel hasn't increased the minis yet. They had multiple price increases. But these are still the same price. I paid £3,350 for this rectangle mini. A few years ago when I started buying a lot of Chanel, you guys know I wanted to build up my classics collection. I definitely preferred to buy small classic flaps or medium classic flaps instead of these. I just find these so well made. I do find the mini rectangles a bit more versatile because you can wear them crossbody. They sit better crossbody, and also they fit about the same compared to the small classic flap. They do fit about the same, but before, a few years ago, maybe 3 years ago I would say, before the insane price increases, the price difference between the rectangle and the small classic flap was about £1,000, so it wasn't a huge difference, and I personally prefer the look, the shape, the quality of the double classic flaps more. I do also find them a bit more hard wearing, especially if you get them in caviar leather. They don't unfortunately produce the minis in caviar skin anymore, but even in lambskin I find these a bit more hard wearing than the minis. So yeah, I would always prefer the classic double flaps in the small size, but I also love the minis. They are so fun, and especially now that there is such a big price difference between the two, I would definitely consider adding more of these. So I would still love to get a baby blue, maybe a light baby blue in the small classic flap, but I'm just waiting for another perfect blue. I mentioned I missed on a few really great shades of blue before, so I was thinking maybe for the small classic flap I would love a very light, very pale blue color, similar to the 21K for example. I will insert a picture here, or maybe the 21C color. That was really nice. I missed on that one as well. And this I thought was similar, but actually this is definitely a warmer, I would say brighter, warmer shade of blue. So yeah, this is the new mini. I would love to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm so happy with this one, and I cannot wait to wear it. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's Chanel bag unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because there will be another bag unboxing coming soon and you wouldn't want to miss that one. It is another piece from the 22S collection. It's so hot, it's so popular. I cannot wait to show you. I'm sure you will love it, so keep an eye out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my shopping vlogs and unboxing videos. Thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget to like this video, it really helps out, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye guys.